I'm so hungry, I don't even know what to eat.
Please, God, send me some food. Go away, I'm hungry, thinking of what to eat.
Hey, let's go to my house. I have some goodies for you.
Come inside, my love.
No, let's go to my own house instead.
Will we have fun when we enter your house?
Yes, of course.
Hey, come on in. Wow, your house is beautiful.
Please don't kill me. You shouldn't have followed me to my house. How dare you see I hungry me and try to ask me out without buying me food?
Lover Boy is now my dinner.
Hello, sweetie. I'm cooking your favorite. Come home with your best friend.
Oh? Really? We will be on our way immediately. We are so close, my love. He asked me out and I was hungry at the time, so I invited him here and killed him.